Well, hello there, everybody, light beings and superheroes. I'm trying to put my hair in order. I just realized that it's going out in all directions. Oh my gosh, I think that's a great topic for today's chat. It's come up a couple of times in conversations already today, and then I was just doing it myself. And it's been critical to ourselves. um, I just had a conversation with someone who was feeling like whatever they had to say was wrong, or they felt a little bit embarrassed for something they did, and yet I had a different perspective. I was like, no, I didn't notice anything, and no, what you had to say was beautiful and enlivening for others. So we can have this idea that things have to change for us to be perfect. or or we just look back and we judge ourselves, or that little critical voice can be super loud sometimes, and bringing about a little bit of self-worth maybe, or belittling ourselves because we're not as good as other people, so that comparison can be there. And I think if that's a habit in ourselves, it's very easy to project that onto other people as well, meaning that we then become very critical because we've got that criticism going on towards ourselves of being right or wrong or good or bad, that it's pretty easy to then judge other people, and instantly we don't see the perfection anymore. Instantly, if the energy is critical, and negative comparison, belittling, feeling less than, well, then the energy we're putting onto other people, if we judge them also or belittle them, is not nice. We're not creating happiness. We're not creating love between each other. We're not inviting each other to stand in our own stand in our own 2 feet, and love the people who we are as unique and beautiful individuals. We're not seeing that. We're not focusing on the beauty and the good in each other if we've got that criticism voice. So it's really interesting the way we see ourselves, because it's very easy to then see how the pattern moves outward into our world. So if we tend to be somebody that's a bit moany and groany and critical and judgmental outwardly, like in our conversations, aiming at other people and observing situations with a negative criticism there, you can pretty much believe or investigate for yourself if that is rooted inside of ourselves first. If there's somebody if you tend to be quite quick to judge and think less than beautiful things about people in your life, well, then if you investigated the source of those thoughts, you'd probably have a lot aimed at yourself. And it's quite an eye opener to see that it's always going to begin with us as the individual, us with the patterning, us with the reactions, us with the habit. And for whatever reason, who cares why we grew that way and why we have it? I mean, I'm watching a group of 6-year-olds around me at the moment, and to listen to their conversations, and the patterning's already in place. So it's not something that's unique to us adults, or, it takes a long time to instill these patterns in us. Oh my gosh, no, I'm seeing 6-year-olds that are playing mental games with each other, or judging, or teasing each other for competition, for attention and things. It's really interesting. So what do we do now? And that's the good thing, is you have a choice. That's what meditation is to investigate these little voices in our head and to see these thought patterns, and really, really make a conscious choice to be different, you know? And I think that's our message for today, is be gentle with yourself, investigate, and then make conscious choices to be a nicer person towards yourself and then to others too. Isn't that beautiful? I'm your cheerleader. Good luck with it.